Hi, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you a Kawasaki Mule Pro FXT EPS Camo, and this is one that we've done some outfitting on, added some accessories, some upgrades, and this one has a lot of real popular accessories that we do quite often here. We don't make videos on every build that we do, and I haven't done one in a little while on one of our Mule builds, but so I thought this would be a good one to do because it has some good stuff on it. So Mule Pro FXT, great machines. If you're considering buying a Mule Pro FXT, just do it. Fantastic. Their 3-year warranty standard gives you 6-passenger seating and a short wheelbase. You have the ability to fold up the rear seat and extend the bed forward. It'll carry up to 1,000 pounds in the long bed mode, 2,000 pounds of towing capacity, top speed of about 46 miles an hour, disc brakes all the way around, fully independent suspension, liquid cooling, fuel injection, selectable 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The Camo model comes with an LED inner headlight here and a halogen headlight here. So 4 headlights across the front, both with low and high beams. Great looking real tree camo pattern. You'll notice these dual bench seats. The rear seat sets up higher from the front seat, so it's called stadium seating. So a nice pleasurable experience for your rear seat riders. They have these really great easy open doors, so very nice, no nets, anything like that, just really great easy open doors. I got a lot of people ask me how hard is it to remove the doors. You know, you don't need to remove the doors. They're just no problem. They're not in the way. They're very, very easy. So absolutely no reason I can think of to remove the doors on this. But these are really great machines. Kawasaki strong, 3-year warranty. So great reason to look at a Mule Pro FXT. Let's talk about some of the upgrades and accessories that have been done to this one. We did a lift kit on this one. So this has a what we call a bracket lift. On our website, if you look at our custom UTVs tab on our website, we have a lot of different mules that we've outfitted for customers. You'll see that we call that a 4-inch lift. It's really about a 2.5-inch lift, but if you add 28-inch tall tires with that, then you will get a total of about 4.5 inches of total height increase. And so anyway, standard bracket lift, really great way to go. We've done hundreds of these bracket lifts with no issues whatsoever. Literally have done hundreds of them, and with no problems because of the lift kit at all. And really no problems at all in general with these machines. They're quite good machines. So this one actually has 27-inch tall tires on it because this customer is hunting. His property is in a place that's very rocky and a lot of thorns. And so the bronze wheels, set of ITP bronze wheels, I don't remember exactly which ones they are, but look great with this camo. But this has the Spartan 12-ply run flat tires, and there's a 27-11-14 in the rear, 27-9-14 in the front. So you pay a little extra for these tires, but you know, when you think about your time and what it takes to deal with a flat tire, I think it's worth it, especially if you're in an area where you need that. We also did flat shield the tires, a nice, good quality flat shield with Kevlar fibers in it. So if something does get through, does get a puncture, should automatically seal that. Excuse me. So lift kit, wheels and tires. We also did the Kawasaki accessory CV boot guards, front and rear, so all the A-arms have the CV boot guards on them. We also did Tough Country heavy duty bumpers, front and rear. Now, if you get to adding a lot of accessories to these, heavy bumpers, heavy tops, windshields, things like that, a lot of times we'll also do heavy duty shock springs, and this machine has the heavy duty shock springs on it. They can get a little more body roll with that extra weight in them. Especially if you put 6 passengers in it. So heavy duty shock springs on this one as well. The ride is still very nice with those Kawasaki accessory heavy duty shock springs. All right, so heavy duty Tough Country bumpers. These have, this is deluxe bumper, so it has a place to add a set of lights. And we added a set of Flash LED lights with a diffused lens, little flange mount, bolt right on. Really nice. We also did a Fortress steel top, and we mounted 3 LED lights across the back, the middle one being a cargo light that is pointed down to the bed. So that Fortress steel top. We also did a light bar on the front of that top. combo light bar. You know, we like the light bars like this. This is a single row of LEDs. You know, one of the reasons we started doing LED lights on things was because they drew less current. Well, now you do a 50-inch double row LED light bar with a lot of high power LEDs, and now you're drawing a lot of current again. So you start to have a problem with the amount of power that's going through. You've got to install heavy duty relays and things like that. So this light bar works really good. It's nice and bright without being just overkill on it. So sometimes more is not always better. You may create more problems than you solve. One of the things we do, we go to adding a lot of accessories, is we install one of our 10-slot auxiliary fuse boxes. We run a 6-gauge cable up from the battery and install a 10-slot fuse box. And so a lot of our customers opt to have that done. Also makes it much easier if you're going to add electrical accessories in the future. This also has the Fortress tip-out windshield, so a DOT safety glass windshield, and this is a full opening windshield, and so you can open it completely just like that, and you can drive this with that windshield open, no problem. You can also park this windshield where it's open just a little bit by turning that handle. It latches in there, and then of course you can do it like we had a while ago where it was fully closed. We also did, we'll take a look while we're in here, the Kawasaki audio system. So the Kawasaki audio system by Hyphonics. Bluetooth, you can connect with it via Bluetooth. The plate here adds an additional spot for switches, so if the customer adds additional accessories in the future. We also, on the Tough Country front bumper that we installed on the front, the customer wants to be able to plug a feeder into that 2-inch receiver on the front, and so we installed a 12-volt power lead for that, and then we did a momentary switch. We put that switch closest to the driver so that he can just push and hold that while he's spreading, and then just let go of it and it'll stop. And so pretty nice there. And then the switches for all the light bars, the front light bar, the rear bumper lights, and one of these is rear roof lights, and then rear bumper lights, I think is what this one is. And so install the switches there. And then you can see the speakers for the audio system. So you've got a speaker in each kick panel on each side, one there, and then there are speakers right up top. So a total of 4 speakers with that Kawasaki audio system. And we really like these. They fit in real nice. You know, you really have to be careful sometimes when doing these builds. It can get complicated. You do lots of lights. Some of these LED lights can induce buzzing into the audio system and stuff like that. So it's really important to manage your power when you're installing these accessories. Get good grounds and use products that are not going to interfere with each other. So you can see here's that Tough Country heavy duty bumper we were talking about, 2-inch receiver hitch. There's that 12-volt power lead that we did for him. We left it a little long. It can be pulled back in and tied up, but we didn't have the customer's feeder here when we were doing that, so we just tied it up there for now. But great machines, and this one's got some real nice stuff on it, and we can build one of these for you any way that you want it built. So if you like this one but you don't like this or you don't like that, that's okay. We'll build one just for you. We built this one how this customer wanted it, and we'll build one how you want yours. And so if you're looking to get one of these built, give us a call. Usually just a little bit of talking and conversation, find out what your needs are. We can get you a quote very, very quickly on these. We built a lot of these mules. We know how to build them. We know how to quote them. And we can do it real quickly. I'd like to invite you to go and visit our website, mainlandcyclecenter.com. And on our website, click on the Custom UTVs tab. There'll be a lot of Mule Pros that we've built on there with different accessories on them, different combinations of accessories. And you can take a look at that and start to plan how you want yours built. So then once you know what you want, maybe you just write down those stock numbers and call us and say, hey, I like this roof, or I like these wheels, or I like this tires, or I like this bumper, or whatever it is you want, and let us know, and we can quote that for you very quickly and easily. All right, so once again, we are Mainland Cycle Center. We're located in Marque, Texas. We're about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45. You can find us online at mainlandcyclecenter.com or by phone at 409-948-4969. And we would just love it if you give us a call, shoot us an email, or even better, come on down to Mainland Cycle Center, where we'd love to help any way that we can. Hey, thanks for watching.